Good day, gentlemen and ladies. Welcome in my inside my strategically packed garage. I think it's my friend Roberto from. I forget the name of his channel. I'm gonna let it over here. But yeah, I like the idea. Yes, it is very strategically packed. All right, quick update tonight on my electric log splitter. So, as you can see here, the only thing holding my rear wood splitter into the stand, it was the lock wire I'm touching right here, as you see, and it's not well. All right. So the idea is what I've done is I forged myself those two loops, and I'm kind of proud because it's let me check something. It's hard to hold the camera, but it's hand forged. I mean, with hammer, with steel, with heat, and they're pretty much the same. So these rods, which will be bolted. This is the all these steel bed frame. I'm gonna cut two pieces, and basically I'm gonna weld them. Like the rod is gonna be welded right here. I'm gonna screw that, and then I'm gonna put the tower back there. All right, back in here. Sorry about the camera angle. So that way, and it's gonna be in slight angle like that. I don't know if you can see in the camera. It's gonna be, so it's gonna put it on each side and just stabilize. On the top of that, I'm gonna put a screw on each side of here, so it's not gonna move on left to right. Okay. Now, I like to mention an outstanding tip, and that's all about exchanging knowledge. It's Mike at Maintenance with Mike. The Canadian, the outstanding Canadian who live in BC, British Columbia. He have the same wood splitter, the 9-ton, all right? And he's the one who mentioned to me, David, and it is mentioned in the wood, the manual, the operative manual. There's a side for softwood and hardwood, but the manual doesn't mention. And then you go there, it's twice the speed of going there as a hardwood. All right. So basically, Mike on the last video said, David, you you can double the speed of your wood splitting action. All right. It's simply just put everything on softwood, and when you need more power, then put it on the hardwood. And trust me, I just let you know, then within, I don't see minutes, but less than an hour, basically, this is the equivalent of one face cord of wood. All right, I've got the 8 feet here by 4 feet. I've done that in less than 1 hour. Can you imagine that? I will make another video this weekend about when I finish with the upgrade. But yeah, and that's the equivalent of 2 row of on my inside my trailer. I did the 2 row, and then I'm doing the 2 forward there. Wow, beautiful cloud there. And yeah. So basically, that will be my shout out for Mike at Maintenance with Mike. And also the nice warning from Roberto, I have his name there, about my strategically packed, I hope it's him, but I think so, garage. All right, so make sure you share the knowledge, and thank you very kindly for all your standing support, comment, and also remember, folks, life is very good. And trust me, it's 27 degrees Celsius right now. It's 16:30. Yesterday we went to 30 degrees Celsius. Tomorrow, same weather. Summer it ain't finished yet, buddy. And I'm talking to you, Noel. All right. Cheers.